Hey everyone, welcome back to Inferno Tech. Today we're going deep into a head-to-head comparison between two giants of the smartphone world, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Pro. We'll break this down into sections: design, display, cameras, AI features, battery life, and performance. And at the end, I'll give you my honest recommendation on which phone you should choose in 2025. Let's jump right in. Design. Starting with the design, the iPhone 17 Pro comes with a fresh look this year. Apple has introduced a square-shaped camera island, which not only looks futuristic, but also makes the device instantly recognizable. The phone is built with titanium edges, making it lighter but extremely durable. Apple has also reduced the bezels, giving it a very clean front look. On the other side, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra continues with its sleek design, sharp corners, and S Pen slot. The cameras remain separate lens cutouts instead of a single module, keeping Samsung's signature style. The S25 Ultra is slightly bigger, but it feels premium in the hand with a polished glass finish. So, iPhone goes for bold identity with a square camera block. Samsung sticks to refinement and productivity design. Display. Samsung is still the king of displays. The S25 Ultra has a 6.9-inch QHD Plus AMOLED 2X with up to 144 Hz refresh rate, HDR 2000 nits brightness, and variable refresh for battery saving. Gaming, movies, and productivity look incredibly sharp. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro features a 6.7-inch ProMotion OLED with 120 Hz refresh rate. Apple's focus is on color accuracy, Dolby Vision, and smoother animations. The bezels are now the thinnest ever on an iPhone. If you want bigger, brighter, and faster, Samsung takes it. But if you want cinematic color tuning, iPhone is unmatched. Camera system: Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Main sensor, 200 MP, great for extreme detail. Ultra-wide, 50 MP, sharp for landscapes. Telephoto lenses, 10x optical zoom and improved AI, zoom up to 100x. Samsung also upgraded night mode and AI stabilization, making handheld zoom shots usable. iPhone 17 Pro Max, triple 48 MP system but powered by Apple's computational photography. New square camera bump houses larger sensors with improved light intake. Apple has refined Cinematic Mode 2.0, 8K video recording, and Pro RAW for professionals. Skin tones, HDR, and natural colors are where Apple still leads. So, Samsung wins on raw megapixels and zoom power. iPhone wins on video quality and realistic photo colors. AI features. AI is the big keyword for 2025. Samsung brings Galaxy AI, real-time voice translation, AI wallpaper generation, auto photo editing, document summaries, and advanced S Pen AI features. Apple introduces Apple Intelligence, deeply integrated into iOS. From smarter Siri to system-wide AI writing tools, mail summarization, custom emoji generation, and even proactive suggestions. The difference? Samsung gives you creative tools and customization. Apple gives you seamless, everyday intelligence. Battery and charging. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra houses a massive 5,500 mAh battery with 65 watts wired fast charging and 25 watts wireless. Half charge in under 30 minutes makes it ideal for heavy users and gamers. The iPhone 17 Pro packs a smaller 4,500 mAh battery, but relies on Apple's A19 Pro chip efficiency. It delivers the same screen on time as Samsung in most tests, but with slower charging. Apple still sticks with around 35 watts fast charging and MagSafe wireless charging. So, Samsung wins charging speed and raw size. iPhone wins on optimization. Performance. The S25 Ultra runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, or Exynos in some regions, paired with up to 16 gigabytes RAM. Perfect for multitasking, gaming, and productivity. The iPhone 17 Pro runs on the Apple A19 Pro Bionic chip, built on a 2nm process. Benchmarks suggest it still leads in single-core performance and GPU efficiency. In real life, both phones are insanely fast, but iPhone may feel smoother thanks to iOS optimization. Final recommendation: so which one should you buy? Go for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra if you want a massive display, extreme zoom cameras, bigger battery, and faster charging. Choose the iPhone 17 Pro if you prefer natural photography, industry-leading video, deep AI integration, and the smooth iOS ecosystem. And that's our full breakdown of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra versus iPhone 17 Pro. Which one are you leaning towards in 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Inferno Tech for more honest comparisons and reviews. See you.